Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more financial insights. All the links mentioned in this comparison are down in the description below. Please note that this video reflects my personal experiences with these institutions. On Rome Tips today, we're tackling the Goldman Sachs versus PNC financial debate, which one comes out on top. This comparison aims to help you decide which financial institution best aligns with your specific needs. For a deeper dive, explore the links to their products and services provided in the description. Goldman Sachs is a titan in the world of investment banking and financial services. Their focus primarily rests on serving corporations, institutions, and high-net-worth individuals. Core offerings include investment banking, asset management, and a suite of trading services, positioning Goldman Sachs as the go-to choice for large-scale financial strategies. For individual consumers, Goldman Sachs offers Marcus by Goldman Sachs, providing high-yield savings accounts, personal loans, and digital wealth management tools. This platform caters to individuals seeking competitive returns and streamlined financial solutions. In short, Goldman Sachs is an ideal partner for individuals and organizations prioritizing investment expertise, wealth growth, and sophisticated, institutional-grade financial strategies. Alternatively, PNC Financial holds its ground as one of the largest regional banks in the United States. PNC offers a comprehensive range of traditional banking services. This includes checking and savings accounts, credit cards, home and auto loans, and robust business banking solutions. PNC's key strength lies in its accessibility and personalized service tailored for individuals, small businesses, and mid-sized enterprises. Their innovative virtual wallet platform seamlessly integrates budgeting, saving, and spending tools into a user-friendly interface, making it an excellent option for those focused on managing their day-to-day finances. Beyond everyday banking, PNC also maintains a strong presence in wealth management and corporate banking, primarily serving regional clients. So, which institution emerges as the victor? If you're an institutional client or a high-net-worth individual requiring advanced financial tools, comprehensive wealth management, or specialized investment banking expertise, Goldman Sachs is the clear frontrunner. However, if your priorities include user-friendly banking services, readily accessible local branches, and an intuitive platform for managing personal or small business finances, PNC Financial is likely the more suitable choice. Ultimately, the best decision hinges on your specific financial goals and the level of service you require. Explore the links in the description to delve deeper into each institution and choose the bank that truly meets your needs.